Okay, I'm going to show you how you can replace the battery on your Audi TTS or Audi key. It does depend what car you have, but this one we're going to use Audi TTS. Basically, you just click on these two side panels here. You just basically push them in and it should release this like so. And the battery compartment's in there. Now what you do need for this is a 2032. It would depend, if you have another car, it would depend what battery you need. So do check inside. But basically you want to push these two things in together on the side. So there's one on each side, you push them in and you want to pull out this tray. Now this is a bit difficult to get. So you've got to get your nail in there. If you want, you can use a key as well, but you basically push these two things in, pull out the tray, then just double check the battery as well. So you can see here, I'm just going to take it out. Take it out from the tray and you can see the original one here is the 2032. I'm just going to take that to the side. I'm going to place a new one in. Once you've got the battery out, as I said, just double check it's the right battery because you don't want to put the wrong battery in. Then you just want to put the battery in like this, the same way that you took it out, like so. And then all you want to do is you want to slot it back in. Just be very careful because you don't want to break this mechanism here. So just be very, very gentle. So you can see I'm just going to push it in very, very gently. I'm going to squeeze them in, push them in until you hear that audible click. And that is it. Pretty much good to go. Then the final thing all you got to do is just slot it back into the compartment. Make sure you push these two handles in because you don't want to break it. So push them in like so. Or this way around rather. Like so, just like that. And you can just double check if it's working. You can see that red button on the top right is kind of, top is flashing. And that's how you replace the battery.